As part of our Cognition relaunch, we've improved our column sorting and filtering tools, giving you more flexibility when working with your stock. In this video, I'll walk you through the updated filtering options. Firstly, the search field now lets you look up more than just registration or VIN number. You can search by make, model, registration number, colour, Cosmos ID, vehicle ID, or location. Next, you can click on column headers to reorder the list. This makes it quick to sort your stock without opening any menus. You can also filter by location. These changes apply for your current session only, so they'll reset the next time you log in. If you'd like filters and sorting that stick, you'll need to use the Sort and Filter button. This also allows you to combine multiple filters at once. Clicking the button will open a sidebar. Here you'll notice that the sold stock toggle is now hidden by default. If you want to reveal sold stock at any time, you can simply untoggle. From this panel, you can also choose a column to sort by and an order to sort by. You can also use the filter accordions to apply filters, for example, showing only active vehicles with less than 3 images. At any time, you can close the filters and work with your updated selection. They're updating in the background. Remember, these filters so far will reset when you next log in. If you'd like them to save, click Save as Default so that your chosen filters and sorting will apply automatically every time. And of course, if you've saved a setup that you don't want anymore, simply select Clear Filters and confirm with OK.